Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we got a package from Cred. Let's open this nice and easy. Here we go. We have our package opened. Take out the package that we have here. We have a perfume box. Let's open it. Here we go. The box looks lovely. It's all lavender color. It's called Carlton London Escape. We got it from the Cred discount store. The price on it is 1,890, but we got it for way lesser than that. We got it for 349 rupees from the Cred discounting store. Let's open this package. Wrapped in a thin layer of plastic. I just want to see what the bottle looks like. Before that, let's look at the box and the details that is there on it. It's a nice lovely lavender color box with the flowers and the butterflies on it. Packed in October 2025. Can't wait to open this box. There's a lot of layers to this. I can smell the fragrance already. It's nice, thick glass bottle. A very unique lid on top. It is a 100 ml box, 100 ml glass bottle. Does not have any other printing on it. So let's see how we can open this. Here we go. This is not, by the way, glass. This is plastic, and you can see it has the sprayer. Let's spray and check what it smells like. Nice. Put back the lid. Gotta press it hard. Yeah, that locks it in. So this was the unboxing of Carlton London Escape 100 ml perfume for 349, but the retail price is way more than that, 1,899. So I guess you can also see the quantity. It's all full. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye.